Hi everyone, my name is the Terabyte and today I wanted to talk about the Instax Mini Evo camera. I just got it and I want to unbox it and talk about it because it looks like the perfect camera ever. So what's super cool about this camera is it's a hybrid Instax camera. It's got 10 filters and effects, so you can do double exposure. You can have like two landscape pictures in one Polaroid photo. You can do mirror mode. You can do longer exposures, vignetting, and then it's got filters on top of that. And then when it comes to your phone, it's super cool because you can use it for remote shooting. You can save your images to your phone. You can take pictures on your phone and then print them from here. And then it says it does high quality printing, which is really awesome. It's got a really big LCD screen on the back, it looks like, and it just looks really beautiful. I'm super excited to open this because it looks like they took like the effects from Polaroid, they took the printing features from the Kodak mini shot, which is this one right here, and then they took the Instax, which they already had done really well, and then threw it all into one camera. So let's unbox this. All right, so I'm trying to get my hair out of my face. So this is what the box looks like. The Instax Mini Evo, and let's just kind of open the top here. I'm gonna switch camera views real fast, so I'll be right here in front. You can kind of see me in both spots. I already downloaded, so right here it shows you where you can get the app. I already downloaded the app on Google Play because I was just way too excited for this camera. So I couldn't wait. Let's take it out. One thing I like is how flat it looks already. So I feel like this is something you could easily hold in your purse versus the other Instax cameras, which you can still put in your purse, but they're kind of lumpy. So let's undo this. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Look at this. It looks nice. I like the vintage look of it. And then the LCD screen on the back is huge. Oh man, this thing is perfect. I love, so when you print something, you're supposed to like pull this lever and it prints it. It's so nice. I like the vintage look a lot. Also, you can add, what do you call it? Like a camera strap on both sides. It even has a hot shoe, so you can add like certain things like microphones if you wanted a microphone, or lights. I think I have a little one. I don't have it here with me, but it would have been perfect to put on this. Okay, let's take a look at what else is in this box. So the charging cable, that's good. So this one doesn't take AA batteries. Oh, it comes with a strap, that's nice. And then our instructions, which I might need. And then that looks like that is everything inside this box. All right, so I'm gonna kind of put the box over here to the side. I'm gonna close it up all pretty. Maybe? How did I do this? I guess I won't be able to close it up all pretty, but I'm gonna set it over to the side and let's check this all out. I'm super excited. Where's my phone? I'm gonna get out the app. I'm pretty sure I already know what I want to print. There's a picture I took of my little brother and his girlfriend at Disneyland, and I think it would just be super cool to print that picture. So let me go to the app right here. So this is the app. It says to use the app, you need to allow access to devices. Yes, yes, I agree. I didn't read any of that. But let's turn it on now. So how do we turn it on? A menu button. It's so fancy. Oh, right here's an on switch. Oh, okay. So I don't know if you can see this right here, but this is the on and off switch. Oh, and it turns it on. Here, let me get a little closer so you can see. So you pick the language right here, and I'm just gonna go to English, of course. Click English. What else do we got? Oh, the year. Okay, so let's do month, date, year, like we do in the States. And then today is not January. No! Oops, I didn't set the date right. Okay, so now it's already in picture mode. So it already wants to try and take pictures of whatever it's looking at. So you can see here. But I want to try and figure out how to Bluetooth it. Oh, and it's almost dying too, so it didn't really come with a good charge. Oh my gosh, it also has a, you can even attach it to a tripod right here, which is super awesome too. Okay, so I'm gonna click the menu button and see. It's got face detection. Okay, let me get closer so you can see all these options. There's face detection, autofocus, Bluetooth settings. Yes, registration. Okay, now let me open up my phone app and let's see if we can get this paired. Connect. Oh, is it really that easy? Camera connected, search, connect, searching. Turn on the Bluetooth settings in the app. I think I did. Cameras that can be connected. Instax. Pairing failed. Please cancel the registration. Oh, pair. You can do it. Connect. Sometimes Bluetooth is a little picky. Oh, it's connected. Okay. Oh, okay. Nice. All right, so now that I'm connected, I don't know if there's any film in this. I hope they put like at least a little film because I really want to try it. But let's see if I can get on my phone and camera connected. Let's see if I can get on my phone and then print a photo. Direct print. So here's the settings. I'm putting it on direct print feature. You can send images from your smartphone to your Instax Evo for printing. Cool, that's what I want to do. All right, let's see if this works. I'm excited. Okay, where's that photo of my brother and his girlfriend at Disney World? Because I think it's perfect. I have a lot of photos. I've got like 40,000 photos, so give me 1 second. Right here. Oh, I found it. No, that's not it. No. Okay. It's not that one. It has to be in my Lightroom photos. So we're going to search. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh, Adobe Lightroom right here. Perfect. Oh, it's not there either. Oh, I think it's this one. Okay. So this is the photo of my brother and his girlfriend at Disneyland that I took. I'm just gonna kind of position it here, maybe like scroll in a little, and then print. And it says it'll like look like this when it's done printing, and then just hit print. Okay, let's see. I do have to buy paper for it. I don't have any more paper. That's unfortunate. No. I wasn't sure if it came with any because it doesn't say on the box, so look out for that. It doesn't come with any. So I lost my last Instax camera and I gave away all of the paper to my friend and I bought her one, and I'm sad about this decision now because now I don't have any paper. I don't know how to open this. Whoops. So this will be my video update for now. And then once I get paper, I'm actually going to do another video. So we'll have 2 videos. So this one will be kind of an unboxing. And then the next one, I will talk about the features of this. And I'm super excited. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any more questions, you can find me on Amazon. And I'd love to answer any specific question you might have about this. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.